Welcome back. Today we learn how to crochet increase stitch. It will help you to increase fabric width. So grab your yarn and hook, let's start.
We will see how to make an increase stitch, and I have already made my first row with a single crochet and I have 9 stitches in this row. If you don't know how to make chain and you don't know how to make single crochet, then there are my videos, simple and easy to follow. I'll add the link on the top of this video as well, and in the description box you can go and see. And once you are done with the single crochet, then we can start working on increase stitch. So let's start the class. We will make one chain and turn our work over. For the first row I have 9 single crochets, and in this row we will start increasing. In the first stitch I will make a simple 1 single crochet like we normally do. Just like I told you, go in this stitch here in this place, underneath these both loops, yarn over the hook, pull through. You have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through both loops. We got our 1 single crochet. Increase stitch means that we need to make more than 1 stitch in one place. That will widen our fabric. So in the next stitch we will do that thing. We will make an increase stitch. So go in this next stitch, underneath these both loops, yarn over the hook, pull it back through the stitch. We have 2 loops on the hook. We will yarn over the hook again and pull through both loops that were already on the hook. Now to make the increase stitch, we can make 2 stitches in one place and more than 2 stitches as well. But for this lesson we will make 2 stitches. So go in this same stitch where we made our previous single crochet, in the same place, in the same hole. We will go back in the same place, yarn over the hook, pull a loop. We have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through both. We got another single crochet. So we made 2 single crochets in this one stitch, in the same stitch. In the next stitch we will make 1 single crochet, simple single crochet, yarn over the hook, pull through, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through both loops. Now in the next stitch we will make increase stitch again. Go in the stitch, yarn over the hook, pull. We have 2 loops, yarn over the hook and pull through both loops that are on the hook. Now to make increase stitch we will make 1 more single crochet in the same place. Go in this stitch, yarn over the hook, pull it back. We have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. We got our increase stitch. In the same way we will follow the pattern. Make 1 single crochet in the next stitch and then make an increase stitch in the next. Increase means making 2 single crochet in one stitch here. Go in the stitch, make 1 single crochet first, go in the same stitch again and make another single crochet. Again 1 single crochet in the next stitch and increase stitch in the next. 1 is complete. Again going in the same stitch and making another single crochet. We have 1 stitch left, and in that we will make 1 single crochet to finish up the row. So here can you see our work is not straight, it turned into a curve. This means we have widened our fabric. First it was narrow, now it is wide. Now let's see how to make the next row. So chain 1 we always do before making single crochet, turn over, turn your work around, and now for this row we will make 1 single crochet in the first 2 stitches and then 2 single crochet. It's mean increase in the next stitch. So in the first stitch make a simple single crochet. In the next make another single crochet, simple 1 single crochet, and in the next stitch we will make 2 single crochets. It means we will make an increase stitch here. Make 1 single crochet, again go in the same stitch, make another single crochet. We got our first increase. Again make 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then in the next one we will make an increase stitch. Make 1 single crochet, then make another one in the same stitch in the same place. Again 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then 2 in the next one, which means increase in the next one. 1 single crochet, then another one in the same place. 1 single crochet in the next 2, and in the next stitch make an increase stitch. 1 single crochet, and then another one in the same place. We have 1 stitch left. In this we will make 1 single crochet, and you can see our fabric is getting wider and wider. I hope you learned how to make an increase stitch with a single crochet. In the same way you can make increase stitch using double crochets or any other crochet stitch as well. I hope you understand the concept. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video. Until then, have a nice time. Bye.